Oh, now it's recording. You can look up to the camera because it's recording. There's Lena. There's Lena. Lena Hiccups. Again.
Those fingers.
The hands. We're hoping that Gene didn't further mutate. Oh, Lena cries. How do you stop it? Oh, probably.